All right, it's another day again today here as we are preparing for another session of the Nissan Leaf battery packs here as we go. Folks, let me show you what we have here today. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and share. All right, what we have here, you guys can see these are the bus bars. These are the bus bars we have, and here I'm going to be utilizing these bus bars today to make my bus bars for the batteries. So if you haven't seen my videos or whatever, so these are what we're going to be utilizing today as I speak. And a lot of bus bars are embedded into this. So folks, you guys can see, if I can bring it close to the camera. So these are the bus bars. Right here, I can pop any of these guys here. You see, here's a bus bar. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be using to configure the batteries. Today we're doing a configuration of the Nissan Leaf battery to packs. That's gonna be like strings. All right, I'm gonna tell you how many strings I'm gonna be getting from these batteries. Stay tuned. Like and share this video. So I just grabbed some few packs here to show you what I'm gonna be doing here. So folks, understanding the one whole procedure about these batteries is a one whole era into the leaf or into the lithium batteries. So I'm gonna have my voltmeter here, as you guys been seeing it all my previous videos. I'll be utilizing this to show you exactly what is voltage. I'm gonna have it on the DC side, which is here, okay? And I'm gonna stick these probes to the positive and the negative, and I will show you the voltage that's reading right now. So being saying that this is a 2S. What I mean by that is two batteries inside one of these batteries, okay? Two batteries here inside one battery. So that's why it has three terminals here. If you take one probe and stick it right here and one here, it's gonna read for one cell that is in there to two cell. So this battery alone is a 2S because two cells there, and I'm gonna stick one probe here and one probe here. Let's see, hold on. This is one. Okay, see what I'm showing you here? That's one cell. It's a 3.98. So times that by 2 will give you the total of that 7.96 volt, which is this one here. Oh, see that? That's the total. So that's why it's called a 2S. So this is a 2S, but I'm going to configure these batteries into 7. So by having them on 7, it's going to be 14S. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of this one you can tie for 24 volt system. Okay, so it's a 7.96. You can tie 2 of these for 12 volt system. For you guys that have a 12 volt system, you can need to series this one. Okay, negative here to positive here, put a bar right there. You're already giving you a 12 volt battery. If you want me to check for you, I will still do that and see if this plate is gonna stick right there. And I'm gonna stick the probes right here to show you a 12-volt battery. I'm doing this for you guys because there are a lot of people who ask questions regarding a 12-volt system with the lithium batteries. They think maybe it's not possible. Yes, it is possible. So let me show you here quick. I hope I can get this thing all figured out with my hands. Okay. So look at this. It's a 15.9. 15.9.5 volt. Okay, it's just a little bit over. You think it's over, but it's fine for 12 volts. So if you take this, see the probes, what I did? I put the plates right here to give you the series connection. So folks, this is how you configure them, and this is what I'm going to be doing today. Since I have these batteries, if I tied two of these, so one battery is a 7.97 volt. Here on the screen you can see it, 7.17 volts. So if we decided to put that by or times 6 of them, will give us this 47.82 volt. And remember, the battery is not properly charged yet. So let's go 7.97 times 7. So folks, this is what exactly I'm going to be dealing with here. So it's going to be 55.78 right now. If I charge it, it's going to be 58.6 volt. So that battery will read, when I charge it, instead of 7.97, it's going to read about 8.44-ish volt. So this gives you, if you do 8.6, let's say 8.6 times 7. No, that's too much. Is I think it's a 8.4. 1.4 times. Yeah. So if I charge, it's going to be that. So 8.4 times 7 is going to be 58.8 volt. That's what my battery is going to be. So check this out. Let me go ahead and try to show you what I'm doing here live from the center here in the garage. It's JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. This is what I'm gonna do. This is just the initial start or the presentation, what I'm gonna be doing. See you on the next video. Stay tuned, okay? Now the next one you're gonna see, I'm going to be wiring all these bus bars, how they're going to go in pattern or in sequence for the 48 volt battery bank. So I'm going to be having a stack of them, approximately 6 strings of 48 volts by 65 to 66 volt nominum. No, 65 to 66 amps per battery, per pack. Sorry, that's what I meant by pack. So let's say 65 times 6 of it. So we're going to be 390 amp hours in 48 volt. All right. And if it was a 24 volt, that's going to be 390 times, let me say 2 of it. It's going to be 780. So that's a lot of power for lithium ion battery. Right here with the Nissan Leaf with the JW Solar USA, live in the garage. Hey, at the back there you see a Kubato. Kubota, whatever you pronounce it, the LA534. That's going to be advertisement on the background. So Kubota, if you're watching this video, or anyone watching this, you know, there is any, if you have a connection with that company, I'm advertising for them right back there with the machine because it's right in the shop. So it might as well do the job. All right, thank you. Subscribe, like, and share.